Hi everybody, for those that are lucky enough to own a Navara STX 550, this is a fuel filter. If you're deciding you want to change your filter, which is a good idea from time to time, I'm going to give you a quick video to show you exactly how you can do it, and very easily. Okay, I'll just zoom in to where the location is for the fuel filter, and there it is right there. You can see the top of it. That's the one there. I'll go and point to it. Now what you need to do is disconnect this plug. You do that by pushing the little clip in. Another plug just here. Same again, push the little clip in. Two fuel lines. Remove the circlips with pliers, slide them back over, and then immediately you pull those pipes off, block it with something like a bolt or whatever. You need to not let any air in there. You'll get a little bit in there, but you've got to restrict how much, otherwise you're going to have a problem starting your car. It'll start and then it'll stall straight away, and then you'll have bleeding problems. So once you do that, there's a bolt down this side, a 10mm little bolt. You loosen that off, the canister will slide up. You'll find that you'll have to unclip the female side of this plug from the actual bracket, and once you do that, it's attached to the bottom of the filter. You just slide it all out and you get your new filter. You fill that new filter with diesel right to the very top. Okay, put the filter to retain it, to hold it pretty firmly, and what I did was just get a couple of bits of hose that fit on the fittings for your fuel lines. On this one here, which is the outlet, I just put it like an overflow on it, just there. And this one here, I just got a little funnel to another bit of that pipe and fit on there. And all I did was pour diesel in till diesel come up to there. Then I just left it for about 10-15 minutes, just so the diesel can soak in, and then hit a little tiny bit more diesel just to make sure it's topped up. Once you do that, put your yellow caps back on, pull that off, put your yellow caps back on, the protective caps, that'll stop you spilling it everywhere. Back to the car, drop the filter in, tighten up the retainer, put on your fuel lines as fairly quickly as you can. Don't rush it, but you know, fairly quickly so no extra air gets in. Put it on, clips back on both sides. Make sure you put this plug down through before you put the filter in, otherwise you're going to have to pull it out and bring it back around. Then you clip it onto that bracket, and then you clip. Once you do that, you plug it in, plug this one on, and you're a goer. You start the car up, make sure that there's got no fuel leaks around here. Replacement filters you don't have to buy from Nissan. You can buy them through Ryco, which I have done. Found that they're around about $95, around that mark, and they're actually made not in China like these ones are that come out of the car. So yeah, not saying it didn't do a good job, but I prefer to go with the good stuff if that's the case. Hope that's been some sort of help to us. A lot of people panic about when they get these V6s that they're something difficult to work on. They're quite easy. Oil change is easy. You just have to make yourself a square plug that'll fit in the bung. Or you could probably buy it anyway, but I just made one out of an old socket fitting extension and ground it down to shape, and that works fine. Filters come off easy, they're at the front of the motor. Once you loosen them, it's got a special little draining catch that'll run the oil into a little catch can instead of spilling all over your motor and chassis. You just top it up steadily, always continually checking. Once you get to the fill point, start your motor, check for leaks, turn the motor off and recheck. You'll find that it'll need topping up. Make sure it is imperative that you use the prescribed oil, which is a C4 5W30 full synthetic oil. If you don't do that, you're going to blow your motor. You'll damage it badly. So just keep that in mind. Okay guys, hope that's been some help to you. We'll catch you later.